So here's a short walkthrough of the house. This is the upper garage, which is mostly Kristen's garage. In the front here, it looks like it's a gigantic pool, but it's actually a tree garden. So there'll be, I think, 10 trees inside of here. It'll be up above the house to sort of conceal all of that side of the house. Walk toward the house, up to the front door. This will be, I think, pavers, and it'll be up high enough to match to the house. Walk in the front door, some windows to the right here. Front entryway and hall, which is a pretty wide hall. I think it's about 11, 12 feet wide. To the right here we have Kristen's office, which has some nice windows. Look out into the forest. We have my office, which is in fact bigger than Kristen's, as a matter of contention right now. With a nice view out there. There's a closet here. Walking back over here. The stairs to go upstairs. There's a closet here with a bunch of storage space underneath the staircase. There's a mechanical chase right here, which is like a 4 foot by 3 foot chase that goes all the way up and down through the house for mechanics. There is a powder bath right here. When you come in here to the right, there is a sort of play entertainment TV room. There'll be pocket doors right here. This opening won't be that big. I think probably the TV will be on the wall there, I think. And there's a little closet here, an AV closet, where all of the equipment will be racked up for the audiovisual. Some more windows. There'll also be a set of pocket doors right here to block this off from the dining room. So the dining room is right here in this corner. Windows, and then there's a door right there that goes out to the deck. This is the great room, which has the fireplace, and then lots and lots of windows. I think it's 22, 23 feet tall. We'll pivot around here, and the kitchen is sort of behind the great room. There'll be a big countertop right here, an island, and then I think the fridge and the freezer on the back wall here. And this thing's over by the window. So this will all be sort of the kitchen area. And then there's a sort of an extension of the kitchen back here. Actually, the ovens will be back here, actually, on this wall. And then this is a walk-in pantry off the kitchen. Walk out this way, we'll go through one of the windows. And then here is a deck. I think the deck is, I don't know, 1,400 square feet, I think, maybe 1,500 square feet. Half of it's covered. And we'll have some of those infrared heaters up into the roof here, and I think a barbecue back in the corner here, and a fire pit over there. And the view from here is mostly just all Forest Park, because we're in the sort of in the park, so lots of trees. If it were a clear day, Mount St. Helens is right about there. Mount Adams is right there, and Mount Hood is right about there. But it's kind of a cloudy day today. Alrighty, so there's a set of stairs that go down here, that go down to the lower floor. So let's walk back this way, and we'll go upstairs first. So a staircase, somewhat wide staircase. I think it's 5.5 feet wide. They're working on putting up the roof trusses right now. This is sort of like a loft area with an overlook of the great room, which is a feature we had in our previous house too. So this looks over the great room. You see a fantastic view of Mount St. Helens right through this window right there. If it were clear, you could see it. Let's see. So upstairs we have the laundry rooms. The laundry stuff will be right there against the window there. Hallway here. There is a bedroom here, which for us is sort of an extra bedroom. I think we're gonna have Audrey's play structure in here, which has a closet, and then this is a bathroom for this bedroom. And this is in the front corner of the house, so you can look out and see the hallway going down to the main garage. or front garage, I guess. And this room across the hall is Audrey's bedroom, which has a bathroom and her closet, and the room itself. And it's got a nice view out in the woods, as you can see down the driveway. So we'll walk back down the hallway. So there's a closet here, which will have some HVAC equipment in it, a linen closet, and then double doors here. You walk into our bedroom, which has 2 walk-in closets. Kristen's is a larger one with the windows, and then mine is the smaller one. And then down the hallway, this is the master bath, which I think the toilets on this little room here, and vanities and tub there, and then the shower is right here. Back out into our bedroom, and this is the master bedroom, which has windows in the back wall, and then from here actually you have a really good view of Mount Hood right about there, and out this window Mount St. Helens is right about there. So there'll be a fireplace, I think, in this against that wall there. Some other accoutrements. All right, so we'll walk back downstairs. So also on the main floor, there is a guest suite, which is right here. Has a closet and a full-size bath. Some nice windows. And then down this hallway, we have the stairs that go downstairs, and we'll do that in just a minute. And then sort of a mud room here. I think we're gonna have another washer and dryer down here. There's actually a wall that goes right here that separates this sort of mudroom before the mudroom, as I like to call it, which is really part of the garage. It has an exterior door, and then Kristen's garage, which is pretty deep. You could probably put 4 cars in here if you wanted to. All right, so we'll go downstairs, perhaps the most important part of the house. So this works a little dark down here. There's stairs down here, and the bottom of the stairs, there is a mechanical room right here, not very well lit, but where all the furnaces go, and the electrical panels and water processing and a bunch of other stuff. And there'll be a wall built right about here, and this space back here is my server room. It's hard to see, but actually goes back a couple layers. They'll have its own dedicated HVAC, UPS power, racks, all that stuff. All the wiring will come there. And then this is the lower garage, which is 4 or 6 cars, depending on how you park them in there, where I can store cars. It has drains in the floor, so if I wash a car in here, the water will go down the drain on both sides there. Door outside there. This overlooks into the shop. So the shop's down here, and it's, I think, about 1,500 square feet. And the shop is has the ceilings are about 15.5 feet, supported by these gigantic steel girders that go all the way across the house, actually, and that are put into some load-bearing points there. And so I think there'll be a couple of lifts down here and a bunch of other equipment over here, one big door back there, and then some cross ventilation equipment and stairs right you here to go down into the shop. Also down here, we have the vault/safe room, which you can probably see there. That's concrete. It's about 1 foot of concrete on all 6 sides, plus rebar and some steel plate. And it'll have a bank vault door. And then this is a storage room for garage supplies and engines and all that stuff. So I'll put some racking up on the walls, probably. A lot of concrete there. And then we can walk around this way. And so below the upper deck is the entrance to my shop. And we're actually going to be building a retaining wall here to push this out quite a bit. This will all be paved. It's a nice protected space. I'm going to put some heaters up in there and some hot and cold water taps so I can wash cars in the winter and associated stuff. And then garage door here, it's 14 feet wide. Up. I think it's 14 feet tall too. And then here's the shop. So this is still being laid out, but it's basically a big square space. Actually, there'll be a bathroom right here. The piping's for, and then the stairs will come down from the lower garage right there. And that about makes the end of the tour. We have a gigantic pile of dirt, which has to go somewhere. And we're debating putting a pool right here. I guess I have to get that to fit in there. Gotta walk back up to the front here. That really is about it. All right, well, I'll do another video once we get a little farther along. I actually have something interesting to show.